wooden chess set we must unbox. And then I will probably have to teach my girlfriend how to play chess because nobody in the family really plays chess except for me. You know, math nerd. So here we go. I think it's going to be awesome. Oh, wow, it's all encased in this box. Oh, yeah, it's got a nice box. All right, so this side we got to open up. If I can get it open. And we'll get her out of here. Look, comes with special rules. I like the Sicilian Open myself. The Queen's Gambit. And, oh, look at this. Nice. All right. Let's see how we did it. Oh, yeah, nice. There it is. Check it out. So you get all of your white players, all of your darker players. See, they're not black, though. They're like a dark brown and a light brown. So you get your rook, you get your queen, king, your horsey, your castle, and these are all your pawns here. And so they all have different moves that they do. Diagonal, right? And these move like rectilinear. This one can go diagonal and rectilinear. And these have the move up and over. They kind of do an L. Either, you know, these are like one of the most important. Well, I think that the horsey is, or the knight, is the most important chess piece, to tell you the truth. This is all nice felt. You know what I mean? So you got to pull all your pieces out. And then, of course, you flip this over, and that's going to be your chessboard. And yeah, I think it's a beautiful piece of gamesmanship here. Let's take a look at one of the players. This is the king. It has felt on the bottom. Wow, it's nice. Really nice. Set that down. Let's take a look at one of the knights. Wow, check him out. Oh, look. You can see his eyeball. On this side, you can see his eyeball. I don't know. On the other side, there's no eyeball. Let's see if they did that with this one. No, you don't see it on this one. All right, let's look at a castle. Whoops. Yeah, looks good. All right, so now I just got to find somebody to play with. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. Peace out.